In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Shopify store. Adding a favicon is a simple but important step that helps make your store look more professional and recognizable in browser tabs. So, let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look toward the left side menu and click on Online Store. This section contains all the customization settings for your website theme. Next, click on Customize beside your active theme. This will open the Shopify theme editor where you can visually edit different parts of your store. Inside the theme editor, look toward the lower left side and click on Theme Settings. This will open additional customization options for your store. Now, select the logo section within Theme Settings. Here you'll find the favicon image option. Click on it to continue. Next, click Select Image and upload the favicon you want to use for your store. Ideally, your favicon should be a simple square image, such as your brand logo or icon, because it appears very small in browser tabs. After uploading the image, you'll see a preview of how the favicon will look. Once you're happy with it, click Done. Finally, click Save in the top right corner to apply the changes to your store. And that's it. Your Shopify store now has a custom favicon, making your brand look more polished and professional across browser tabs and bookmarks. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.